My name's Aaron Croman, and I'm going to show you how to sharpen up a faxed logo in Photoshop. So here we have a logo for one of my comic books. It's awfully darn blurry, badly faxed or scanned or taken a picture of. It just doesn't look that good. So how do we sharpen this up? It's pretty blurry, can kind of make it out, but what do? It looks hopeless, really. Well, first I'm going to grab the background and I'm going to take it down to the new layer to create a background copy. And I'm going to go to Filter and Other and High Path. Oops, hit the wrong one. So go to Filter, Other, High Pass. And you can see how it kind of looks like this. We want to kind of, it starts out kind of gray, a gray nothingness blob, and to the other spectrum it looks like almost nothing was done to it at all. You want to kind of go to where you start to see the contours start to show up. So just kind of pulling them out little bit by little bit, and that looks good. So I'm going to hit OK, and that's what it looks like, but nothing's all that sharper. So we're going to take the background copy and we're going to switch the blending mode. We're going to put it to overlay. That kind of sharpened up pretty well. And let's look at the difference, so how it looked before and how it looks now. And by doing this, it just kind of makes it look a little bit sharper. Not perfect, but sometimes it means the difference between being able to read it and just being a big blob of gray. My name is Aaron Croman. Good luck with your art.